Good morning, 8th grade. Happy Thursday. Happy first day of October. My goodness, how time has flown. And today is the day your quiz is now live. So you're going to go to your social studies page and scroll to the weekly workflow. As you will see, your quiz is now live. Before you click on this, please remember it is not due until next Thursday. So if you have been hard at work with your other classes and needed some additional time from me, that's totally fine. I just want you to make sure that you've got all of this material copied into your study guide. You have additional study guide notes that I've posted that you will need that PowerPoint, and I have linked the PowerPoint here. You also need to go back and make sure your big three from the start of the lesson is copied into your study guide. This will take you to the YouTube video where I go through that with you. And of course, play the quizzes review game. Now remember, this is just like a practice test. The questions are very, very similar, if not identical, to what's going to be on the quiz. And I am giving rewards to be determined for the most games played by a student, the highest score of a student numerically, and the highest accuracy percentage-wise. This is probably going to be the most rewards because I know you guys are super competitive and like to get that 100% accuracy. When you are all set, here's your CNN for today. It is Thursday, so it is your 10 out of 10 story. And when you're ready, you're going to take your quiz. Now it's going to take you to this page. It is available until next Thursday. As you can see, there is no time limit, and it is 84 points. Keep in mind that most of these are multiple choice and check the boxes, and those are always worth 2 points apiece. This is a quiz over what you have learned in lesson number 1. You are permitted to use your study guide notes while taking this quiz. Good luck. Once you click Take the Quiz, it's going to open up the Google form, and your time starts. Again, there is no time limit, but here is your Google form underneath question 1. All you have to do is go through here, answer the questions. It does break it up into sections, so when you hit that next button, and it won't let me go next until I put my email in, so I'm going to put my email in real quick. So next, and then I'm going to scroll back up, and here's my check the boxes. Now you'll notice when you click a box, it's going to say must select exactly 3 options. It's worth 6 points, 2 boxes apiece. Okay. If you go to this one, 4 points, so that means 2 boxes. So it's not going to let you move on until you have the appropriate number of boxes. So this should hopefully help with some people under selecting and over selecting. There's 2 more pages after this. This is about what students should be able to do. And then the next one is the questions. And then there is 1 short answer question. When you are done with the test, and you know what, actually I am going to go through and just click stuff. I have no idea if it's going to be right because I'm just randomly clicking stuff so I can show you the next page. Let's change. Okay. And short answer is the last one. What are the 2 major purposes? Yada, yada, yada. Then you'll see the brown submit button. You click submit. Okay, your response has been recorded. When you see your response has been recorded, you can click done in the box below. You may view your score. It's going to show you the missed questions. Again, you can only attempt this once. So it's going to show you the missed questions for for multiple choice and check the boxes, but I have to grade that short answer. Remember, if you say get 2 check the boxes and you were supposed to get 3, you don't get the whole question wrong. You do get partial credit, but I have to go back in and change all those grades. So once you see your response has been recorded, you're going to follow the final instruction in red, type done in the box below. This is just going to tell me that you have completed your quiz, and it's going to take it off your to-do list. Once it clicks submit, you'll see how long you took it for. Again, don't worry about the score. I have to update that later. And you're done. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. If not, take your time, study, 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 and good luck.